Game, you know.
Alright, go ahead.
Body about so they don't want none of this so. Alright, so we have the ackee people, you boil the ackee. You hear me I tell you now? Yeah, we have to boil the ackee first. So we boil on the ackee and boil on the string bean. You hear me I tell you? That so they don't trust this. And we have the milk. Alright, so here what we want now. Welcome to Mix and Drink people every Wednesday. Alright, so we are getting milk. We are getting milk in a blender. I don't make nothing of people because I don't think I go drink enough of this. You get me I say? That good?
Come on.
Well, you not go drink it, brother. You want to waste the milk, man, you old.
What do you mean I go drink it? If you nice, me drink it.
Alright. That time milk in it, people. Come on, cheer up with that. In a milk now. Yeah, boy. Here come the ackee. Thanks Sam. Thanks Sam. Alright, so we put the ackee. We put the ackee in the milk here now. We put it, eh?
But ackee alone, that probably tastes nice. So the milk for ackee alone, you
no, we put the string bean in there. Why don't we should put the string bean in there? Alright. Where's the people? Put the string bean in there or just use the ackee alone? Use the ackee alone or put the string bean? I need salt and beer. So we have the ackee. People them say, both of them, Bomber and Neil. They better run today. Alright, so we're going to mix up the ackee with the milk here now, people. Can I put a nice one to rasp one? Alright, yeah. So we'll put the ackee with the milk. Jesus Christ. This look terrible. No, this look terrible. Put saltfish. People say put saltfish in it. Coffee saltfish.
Yo, tell the man say we nah. Yo, come on, yo.
Alright. So we have the ackee in a blender already. We have the ackee and the milk. The people say saltfish. So we already have the saltfish boil and everything from morning. Alright, so we have to make sure the bone is nice saltfish. Black pepper, no, I'm not put the black pepper in that blood click. You'll not go too far. So we have put the saltfish in it.
No, black pepper probably give.
No, brother, I'm not put the black pepper in it. See there?
Right,
so we put the saltfish in there. We put the ackee in there. We put the saltfish. The bone, we can't make sure the bone in it. Alright, so the saltfish in it. Ackee, saltfish.
String bean.
And we have put the string bean in it now.
That's too much wet.
Too much wet. And then we put some last cup. Alright, people. See there? So ackee in it. No, we're not going to tomato in there. We're not going too far. We're not going too far now with tomato people. No. Ackee. Little flour. No, man, we're not going too far now with that, brother. So we have put ackee in it. And we have put saltfish. And we put lasco and string bean. We now put no when you flour and everything in it, people. We're not going too far now. And the blender cold for on top work. And the blender belly hurts it already, man. When you have ackee and string bean and saltfish come. And the blender top work.
Need the name, brother. You can't. No, that's done. That's not done. G, that no done. That not done. Yeah, man. You man.
No, you not taste three bad. You not taste three bad, man. I tell you. You not taste three bad. Can't drink. You can't drink. How you think around here?
Yeah, well, let's throw it in there.
Alright, so Ronnie I'm gonna test it, you know. And Ronnie I'm gonna test the people. Blender. People gonna get started run all the blender belly. What? Alright. And yellow yam. No, can't the yellow yam right here. Alright. Ready now, Ronnie? Alright, so Ronnie I'm gonna test you know people. Oh, Ronnie, the thick and look nice. You don't want no food later when you eat, drink this. So, people see it here?
Shake it.
Oh, you want a little nutmeg in it too.
Shake it.
You know what? Hold on, you know what? You know vanilla in there? You want vanilla for your one?
No, really.
I put the vanilla in there, people.
If I use it, I don't get to over it.
Alright, so see it here? Ackee and string bean and saltfish. Alright, come Ronnie, you go taste it, make them tell them how it tastes. Alright, Ronnie, you go taste it now. Go on the road, Ronnie. No man, you not taste, but I smell all the saltfish in there, Ronnie.
You can't tell me that, brother.
Alright, so go on now, I can see what I go on.
Big up, you see it.
Turn the camera, the people ain't see no my you what?
Everybody has seen.
They must see, alright. Go see what I go on now. My go on my dog, man. My dog.
Hold on, a piece of both.
Taste one of my people want to know it tastes in a bad man. The people want to know it tastes bad man. Tell them the truth.
The truth?
No, well, one more cup, you have to take one cup full and tell them what really
what take one cup full? What about this? You hate me that what take cup full.
Alright, go on now, tell them how it really tastes.
If you reach 2,000 likes, you choke this one right now.
How much likes today? People, please bring your 2,000 likes. 2,000.
What is this we drink off? Yeah, this is not tasting at all. This, where is the